Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So I want personally greet you for everything where you guys have done for me, for following up this platform, for sharing our videos. In fact, whenever there is any latest update, the way you guys, oh my goodness, drop your opinion, give me morale to dey do more. In fact, I tell una before say na una make me dey here and make una sit down because I go bring the news dey come your doorstep. So my correlistic people, still the matter of the Biafra house in exile, Biafra government in exile. E come happen say the prime minister come dey answer some kind of question because I tell una before say Pastor Emeka Livingstone come out come talk say the Biafra house in exile, say nothing like that. But we talk say we go make sure say we follow up this case and we wan see all the necessary updates about the issue. But I go still tell una say Pastor Emeka Livingstone e go reach one place, e go say abeg me I no do again, I no talk again, make una forget, I no fit again. E go forget about the matter, e go say e don leave am for God. But right now, the prime minister cause dey drag Pastor Emeka Livingstone say this matter when you start so you go must finish am. He say make people not rest until Pastor Emeka Livingstone come talk everything, come bring all the necessary evidence say this matter e no go finish. Now we dey say wetin dey happen? So as I dey waka, I dey try to dey do things, I dey try to dey see life in the other way round. I come jam one kind of update where be say they say Biafra Republic government in exile updates. There is an unresolved issue. Una know say I first tell una say that matter when Pastor Emeka Livingstone bring the prime minister take am serious, so he still dey drag the matter to that's me and you dey talk. He said there is an unresolved issue. Please. Is the Biafra Republic government in exile White House headquarters in the USA still fake? It is still unresolved. Can we now resolve this blackmail and distraction? The Biafra Republic government in exile is well registered, established, and headquartered in the USA, and Simon Ekpa is the prime minister, with an active 44 ministers and departments so far. More departments are being activated. Liaison offices are being opened in different parts of the world. Below video is the Biafra liaison office in Finland, registered and established in Finland. The office is a starting point and the journey of 1,000 miles starts with a step. Other countries are coming up. The inauguration day is fast approaching and you must not miss it. Prime Minister, Eastern Security Network, Biafra Republic government in exile, Simon Ekpa. So my correlistic people, as I dey tell una before, if you look very well, you go see say this particular video displaying this small one you are watching right now, that is the office of Biafra Republic government in exile, right away Finland. In fact, wetin the prime minister do be say e need to start the action from him own side. Oh yes, so he can't look everywhere, he can't talk say no. He need to first of all put the office for where e be say everybody eye go reach am. Una know say Finland na one place where be say na the talk of the area right now because na Finland na itself dey stay. So all the action need to start from Finland so that people go follow up the matter as e suppose be. So my correlistic people, as me and you dey talk now, so the matter take start when be say Simon Ekpa, the Biafra prime minister, dey ask now whether the Biafra Republic government house in exile, say the matter still dey unresolved, say they never solve that matter. Oh he said they never solve the matter at all. He say when be the last time where be say Pastor Emeka Livingstone try again go visit the Biafra office again. Say Pastor Emeka Livingstone need to go visit because wetin I go see e ear go hear am, im mouth go talk am to Biafra say of a truth dis place when I come make video that day say na lie, say nothing like that. Say the place don open o, say na true be say the prime minister dey really dey work for this particular area. Una go see this office wey be say e dey show, una go know say yes, so the matter e don high. Say Biafra Republic government in exile, dem don already matter right now for Finland, and na the office be this. And the prime minister dey advise everybody say una need to dey there o, make una no miss the day of inauguration. How many people dey wait for this particular occasion? Abeg, if you dey wait for this occasion, you go answer for the comment section, make we see whether vehicle fit come where you dey come carry you go Finland. If you come still dey stay for inside obodo Naija, make dem still know whether dem go fit send you visa, or dem go fit give you, dem go fit invite you, or dem go fit do anything when e go make you come join this beautiful family for Finland, make all of una celebrate the inauguration. Apart from that, so not be only Finland that day that they do the inauguration, no, even for other countries. Una know say dem don talk am now say Biafra Republic government in exile get 44 ministers, and other countries don still dey line up when dem wan go launch this Biafra Republic government in exile, when dem wan still open new office for there. How body dey do you say where you dey, say dem don open Biafra Republic government in exile for that place? Wetin be the work of the Biafra Republic government in exile, and wetin be the benefit wey be say e come along with am? See, all those ones na things wey be say we go dey torchlight one after the other. Wetin me bring come give una so be say una know say big fight dey between Biafra prime minister or Biafra government house in exile with Pastor Emeka Livingstone, because up to this very moment Pastor Emeka Livingstone still dey let people dey understand say that Biafra Republic government house in exile for USA say na fake, say nothing like that dey exist. But the prime minister with people wey dey for inside the government, dem dey let us dey understand say this house na real, and they don make a lot of requiring, and they don do a lot of things. In fact, they don rent the place already, say so the office na real. But my correalistic people, as I talked before, say me, I get interest for this matter, and I know say you also get interest for this matter. I no even know say the prime minister even get interest for this matter pass the way we even get the interest. Now he sef talk say the matter they never solve am. He say he got the ask question now. Before he dey ask this question, so e be like say they don hold their side strong, go like they don arrange everything wey be say you wan see, everything wey be say you wan know about the house, the Biafra government house in exile for USA. Be like say they don arrange everything. No, so in dey call on Pastor Emeka Livingstone now be say make him go back to that particular place, go do another video whether the house na fake. He say make Pastor Emeka Livingstone come talk am, say because this issue e never dey, e still unresolved. They never solve am finish, because the truth need to come out. And I like that type of this thing, because me myself na for the side of the truth na me stand. Anywhere when I for dey smell the truth, na there na dey. So if the prime minister still open up, still dey drag, dey call Pastor Emeka Livingstone make he go do another video, make go confirm again, me myself I go support am, because a lot of Biafrans they won't really know. In fact, nobody Biafra all over the world they won't really know whether na true say IPOB don get Biafra government republic house for USA. They won't know, and they won't still really dey sure whether na true say Simon Ekpa and the prime minister. All these things na wetin they themselves wan see. So my correalistic people, as I make I bring this update called give una, because a lot dey happen. But may you do well, may you like this video, and may you subscribe if you never subscribe, because I go dey give una all the okporoge and everything when it dey happen. Thank you so much, and bye bye.